In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. So you need to find the missing term in the boxes. So whatever the missing terms is there, you need to find that. Okay. Now how will you find? Just I'll take the first one and I'll write the first one and I'll solve it. The first one, 2, 26. So 2, dash, 26. So you need to find the missing term here. Okay. Now how will you find the value of this? As usual, if you know the nth term of an AP and introduction about AP, idar ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ definitely you can solve this. So how to solve this ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. First question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, just first you need to write down the first one as the first term and this will become the second term. So therefore this will become A2 and this will become A3. Okay. So that means here A they have given A is 2 and you need to find the second term. Second term ne you find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Second term will be question mark. So third term they have given, the third term is 26. So this is the data. Now how will you find the A second? Andre nothing but the second term of a AP you need to find. So for this question, so whatever they have given the data, by using the data we can find the second term of the AP ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. Okay. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ just observe this. I'll take the data whatever they have given. They have given the A third term. So therefore A third term will be equals to 26. Now you know the formula to find the A third term. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. So last classes ಎಲ್ಲ. So A third term formula will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n value is 3. If you have applied n value as 3 means an. So n value will become 3. So that means A plus n is 3 minus 1 into D. So therefore A third term ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ A plus 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರೆ 2. So therefore it will become 2D. Clear? So therefore A third term formula will be A plus 2D. Okay. Like that, if suppose if they have asked a formula to find the A fifth term antandre, directly you can write A fifth term will be equals to A plus 4D because A plus 5 minus 1 into D. So 5 allo annodre 4. So therefore A plus 4D agutte. So likewise another one we can write. So A 10th term ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the formula will be A plus 9D. Okay. So this is for your reference, children. Now coming to this, A third term you need to find. So therefore A third term formula will be A plus 2D equals to 26. Okay. So A third term formula will be A plus 2D. Now they have given the A value. A value is the first term value is 2. I'll apply the 2 value in the place of A. So A value is 2 plus 2D ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. So 26. Now so 2D equals to 26. Send the 2 to the right hand side. So if you send 2 to the right hand side, it will become minus 2. So therefore 2D equals to 24. Now if you have simplified this, so D equals to 24 by 2. So therefore the answer is 12. So therefore the common difference is 12. Okay. Now this is the actual D that we need. Now why we are finding the D value? Because we need the value of A2, nothing but the second term. So for that reason we are finding the common difference. Because A second term formula ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore A is plus D. So the A second term formula will be A plus D. Here if you know the value of A and D, you'll get the A second term. Now they have given the A but they have not given the D. So by using this data, I have identified the D. So therefore A second term equals or nothing but A2 equals A is nothing but 2 ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ plus D. D is how much? Now only we got the value. So therefore A2 equals, so 12 plus 2 is 14. So the answer will be 14. Now this is how we need to solve the problem. So by using the condition or whatever they have given the condition, by using that we need to find the other AP terms. Okay. Okay. Next we'll move on to the next one. So ಬೇಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ explanation ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. So this one has A1, this one has A2, this one has A3. So you need to write down like this: first term, second term, third term. So here you need to find the second term formula will be A plus D. So here you need the value of A and D. A they have given, A value is 2, but D we need. So by using the A third term condition, we have identified the value of D and I have applied the D value here, and nanige A second term bantu. A second term is 14. Now I'll take the second one and I'll solve the second one. Third question alle we are having 5 problems. So second one tagoltini. So the second question will be, so dash 13 dash 3. So you need to find the 2 boxes here. So you need to fill the 2 boxes here. As usual, call the first one as A1, the second one as A2, the third one as A3, this one as A4. Okay. So by this we can say that we need to find the A1, nothing but the first term we need to find, and also they have given the second term. The second term is 13. So A third term we need to find. So A third term will be question mark. A fourth they have given. So nothing but 3. Okay. Now how to find the A1 or A3? By using these 2 conditions. Yaude problem alli. So whatever they have given the data, by using that data we can find the other data what they are asking in the question. Okay. So now here you need to find the first term as well as the third term, right? So therefore by using these 2 conditions I'll find the first term as well as the third term. How? Let me just take the second term whatever they have given. A second term they have given, that is 13. Now here A second term formula will be A plus D. Already you know people how it came. So A plus D is equals to 13. Okay. Now I'll send D to the right hand side. So I'll send D to the right hand side. So that means it will become A equals 13 minus D, and I'll call this as equation number 1. Now I'll take the second condition whatever they have given. The second condition they have given is, here I'll write A fourth term they have given, that is 3. So A fourth term, the formula to find the A fourth term will be A plus 3D equals to 3. Now here the A value is nothing but 13 minus D. So therefore in the place of A I'll apply 13 minus D. So again I'll say here A plus 3D equals to 3 will be there. I'll call this as equation number 2. Here in the place of A I'll apply the value as 13 minus D, because the first equation says A equals 13 minus D. So therefore A value is 13 minus D. So I have applied the A value here. So 13 minus D plus 3D equals to 3. Now send 13 to the right hand side. So therefore here minus D plus 3D. So minus into plus is minus. If you subtract 3D minus D is, it's 2D. It's plus 2D equals 3 minus 13, because if you send plus 13 to the right hand side it will become minus 13. Okay. So therefore 2D equals to 13 minus 3 is, it's minus 10. So therefore D equals to minus 10 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. So therefore the common difference will be minus 5. Okay. So this is the common difference that we got, but we need the value of A1 as well as A third term. Now by using this D, the D value, we can find the A1 also we can find the A3 also. Okay. So now you know the first equation says a equals 13 minus d. So therefore I'll take that a equals 13 minus d. Here I'll apply the d value here, so that I'll get the a value. So therefore a equals 13 minus the d value is minus 5, so therefore minus of minus 5. So therefore a equals 13 minus into minus is plus 5, so therefore the a value is 18. Now we got the one answer for this question. So what they are asking? They are asking to find the a first term. So therefore we got the a first term, nothing but the first term a. So a is 18. Now we can find the a third term by using the formula, because we got the a value as well as d value. Okay, so a third term, I'll write a third term formula. So a third term formula will be a plus 2d. So therefore you know the a value as well as d value. Just apply the a value as well as d value and you'll get the a third term. So therefore a third term equals a value is 18 plus 2 into d value is minus 5. Okay, so a third term will be equals to 18. Now here whenever you are multiplying the numbers, you need to multiply the numbers as well as the symbol. Now plus into minus is minus, 5 2s are 10. So therefore the answer will be nothing but the a third term will be so 8, because 18 minus 10 is 8. Now this is the answer. We got the first term also as well as we got the a third term also. Now this is how we need to solve the problem, children. Here just as like the first problem, by using these two conditions, by taking the given condition, I have solved the problem as well as I have found the value of a as well as d, and I got the first term as well as the third term. Now this is the problem. Okay, now I'll move on to the next one, the third question. Okay, the third question I'll take and I'll solve it. Okay, somebody said the answer also. Good. Okay, good. Okay, now third question. I'll write the data first. So the question is 5 dash 9 1 by 2. Now this is the question. So you need to find the value of the second box, missing box, and the third missing box. Okay, now as usual, call this as the first one as a1, the second one as a2, this as a3, and this as a4. Okay, now as usual, write down the data whatever they have given. So they have given a first, nothing but the first term a they have given, so therefore a1 will be 5. Okay, next what they have given is a second term. They have not given, you need to find the a second term. Also you need to find the a third term. So a third term will be equals to question mark, and they have given the a fourth term. So it's 9 1 by 2. So I'll write 9 by 1 by 2 as, so it's 19 by 2. Okay, so because I am converting this as a normal fraction, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 is 19 by 2. Okay, now as we have solved the first two questions, likewise only you need to solve the problem, children. So by using these two conditions, you need to find the second term as well as the third term. Now whatever they have given, I'll apply, or I'll take that and I'll apply the a value to that. So therefore a fourth term they have given, nothing but it's 19 by 2. Now you know the formula to find the a fourth term. So a fourth term formula will be a plus 3d equals to 19 by 2. Now you know the a value, I'll apply the a value here. So it's 5, a value is 5, they have given 5 plus 3d equals to 19 by 2. Now here send 5 to right hand side. So therefore I'll write here. So 3D equals to 19 by 2 minus 5, because if you have sent 5 to the right hand side means plus 5 will become minus 5. So therefore 3D equals to, now nothing is there means here denominator 1 will be there. So take the LCM for the 2 and 1. So the LCM will be 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 19 ones are 19 minus 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So therefore 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. So the remaining will be, I'll write here, 3D equals to 9 by 2. Now send 3 to the right hand side. So therefore it will become D equals to 9 by 2. Now here multiplication is there. If you send multiplication to the right hand side means it will become divide. So therefore divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3 3s are, so therefore the remaining is 3 by 2. So therefore this is the common difference value. So nothing but D is nothing but the common difference. So therefore D value we got. So D as 3 by 2. Now we got D as 3 by 2. Now we can find the A second term as well as the A third term. Now how? Because you know people that you need to find the second term, right? So you know people that the formula to find the A second term. So the A second term formula will be A plus D. Okay. So therefore A second term, A2 equals A they have given. Now what is the value of A? What they have given? So A will be here. Okay. A will be 5. So A will be 5 plus, now we got the D. So D as 3 by 2. Okay. So now just simplify this, you will get the answer, nothing but the second term. So nothing is there means 1 will be there. Again take the LCM. So LCM will be 2. So 1 2s are 2. So 2 5s are 10 plus 2 1s are 2, 1 3s are 3. So therefore it's 13 by 2. Now this is the second term, and also this can be written in the form of 6 1 by 2. Nothing but I have converted this to a mixed fraction. So therefore the second term will be 6 1 by 2 or 13 by 2. Now this is the answer, and we have found the A second term. Also we need to find the A third term. In the question they are asking two terms. One is about the second term, one is about the A third term. So therefore A third term formula will be A plus 2D, that already you know people. So A second term formula will be A plus D. A third term formula will be A plus 2D, correct? So therefore A third term will be equals to A is 5 plus 2 into the common difference is 3 by 2. So now here 2 get cancelled. So A third term will be 5 plus the remaining will be 3. The answer is 8. So therefore the third term will be 8. Now this is the third question, and this is how we need to solve the question, children. Okay. Okay, good. Now I'll move on to the next one. So I'll take the next question and I'll solve the next question, children. So nothing but the fourth one. So the fourth one, third main fourth question. So fourth question says it's minus 4. So dash. So I think 4 dash will be there. Okay, and 6. Now as usual call this as the first term, and this as second term, this as third term, this as fourth term, this as fifth term, and this as sixth term. Okay, so nothing but I'll write the data here. What they have given, they have given only two data. Nothing but the first term they have given, the first term is minus 4. And also they have given the sixth term. The sixth term is 6. Now what all the things or what all the terms that you need to find? Okay, so you need to find, so A second term. So I'll write here. So A second term, nothing but A2, A3, A4 and also a fifth term you need to find. Okay, so this much you need to find, childrens. So as you know people, how we have solved the last problems, like that only you need to solve it by using these two condition. We need to find the all these things. Okay, now whatever they have given data, so I'll write that. So a sixth term they have given, a sixth term is 6. Okay, so now a sixth term के formula will be there, nothing but a plus 5d equals to 6. So here you know the value of a. So a is minus 4. So I'll apply the a value in the place of a here. So therefore a value is minus 4 plus 5d equals to 6. Now just send the minus 4 to the right hand side. So therefore 5d equals to 6. If you send minus 4 to the right hand side, it will become plus 4. So 5d equals to 6 plus 4 is 10. So therefore d equals to 10 by 5. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So therefore the common difference is 2. Okay. So common difference is how much? 2. Now we got the common difference and already they have given the first term. So therefore now it will be easy for you people to solve the given question. So therefore a second term they have asked. So a second term formula will be a plus d. Now you know the two data, nothing but you know the first term as well as the common difference. The first term is minus 4 plus the common difference now only we got nothing but 2. So it's 2, correct? So minus into plus is minus. So therefore 4 minus 2 is 2. It's minus 2. So therefore the a second term is minus 2. Okay. Now again a third term. A third term formula will be a plus 2d. So a will be minus 4 plus 2 into common difference is 2. So minus 4 plus 4. So here minus into plus is minus. So therefore it get cancelled. Nothing but 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer is 0. So a third term is 0. Next we need to find the a fourth term. Now the formula to find the a fourth term is a plus 3d. So that will be equals to a value is minus 4. Okay. So a value is minus 4 plus 3 into d. D value is 2. So therefore minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. Now here minus into plus is minus. So that means you need to subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. It's plus 2. Now this is the a fourth term, nothing but the fourth term. So now a fifth term. Now the formula to find the a fifth term is a plus 4d. So therefore a means it's minus 4 plus 4 into the common difference is 2. So therefore that will be equals to minus 4 plus 8. So the answer will be minus into plus is minus. 8 minus 4 is 4. It's plus 4. Now this is the answer, and by using these two conditions, so we got the values of second term, the third term, fourth term and the fifth term. Okay. Okay. I think another question is there, the fifth one. So the fifth one I'll solve and I'll stop this session, children. Okay. So I thought to finish the another one also, but okay. So I'll solve the next one, the fifth one. So the fifth question, third main fifth question, we are solving the exercise 1.2 of arithmetic progression chapter, children. In that third main fifth question, already I have solved all the other first question and the second question. You know it, just go and watch it in my channel. Okay. The fifth question. So the fifth question is dash 38. Okay. So dash and 22. Okay. Now as usual, call the first one as a first term and nothing but the first term. This has a2, this has a3, this will become a fourth term, this will become fifth term, this will become sixth term. Okay. So that means I'll write the data first, what they have given. A second term they have given it's 38. Also A sixth term they have given it's 22. Now what are the things that you need to find? What are the terms that you need to find? So you need to find the first term, the third term, fourth term and fifth term. So therefore A third term will be equals to question mark, A fourth term will be equals to question mark, so A fifth term will be equals to question mark. So as usual, by using these two conditions, we can find the other terms value. Okay, so therefore I'll just write whatever they have given. So A second term, nothing but the second term they have given, the second term will be equals to 38, A2 equals to 38. So the formula to find the second term will be A plus D equals to 38. Okay, now here I'll send the D to the right hand side. So therefore it will become A equals 38 minus D. Clear? So plus D, if you send plus D to the right hand side, it will become minus D. I'll call this as equation number 1. Now I'll take the second condition. So the second condition is sixth term they have given it's 22. Okay, so sixth term. So now you know the formula to find the A6. So A plus 5D equals to 22. Clear? So here here you don't know the value of A here, but in the first equation just observe this. I'll call this as equation number 2. Now just observe this in the first equation. So you have the value of A. A is 38 minus D. So therefore I'll apply the 38 minus D in the place of A here. Okay, so therefore A is 38 minus D plus 5D equals to 22. Okay, so now send minus 38 to the right hand side. So minus D plus 5D remains same. So 22 remains same. So 38, if you send 38 to the right hand side, okay, it's minus 22 children, sorry. So they have given it's minus 22. Okay, so in the question it's minus 22. Okay, now here also it's minus 22. It's minus 22 children. Okay, now if you send 38 to the right hand side, it will become minus 38. Okay, so again I'll say it's not only the 22, it's minus 22. Okay, it's minus 22 children. So A6 term is minus 22. A6 term is minus 22. Now A6 term formula will be A plus 5D equals to minus 22. I'll call this as equation number 2. Now here in the equation number 1, A value is taken as 38 minus D. So therefore I'll apply the A value as 38 minus D in the place of A in the equation number 2. So 38 minus D plus 5D equals to minus 22. Now send the 38 to the right hand side. So minus D plus 5D remains same equals to minus 22. If you send plus 38 to the right hand side, it will become minus 38. So therefore here minus into plus is minus. So if you subtract 5D minus D is it's plus 4D equals to, now here minus into minus is plus. So just add this. So nothing but because minus into minus will be plus. So therefore 8 plus 2 is 0. Now 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So therefore it's 60. It's minus 60. Now you need the value of D. So therefore D equals minus 60 by 4. Now 4 1s are 4 15s are. Okay. So therefore the answer will be, the common difference will be minus 15. Again I will say here minus into minus is plus. So therefore you need to add 38 plus 22 is minus 60. So 4D equals to minus 60. D equals minus 60 by 4. 4 1s are 4 15s are. So therefore the answer is minus 15. Clear? So now you got the common difference and just apply this common difference value in the place of equation number 1, in the place of D in the equation number 1. So therefore I'll write again the first equation. equation first says 38 minus d, so a equals 38. Now whatever you got the value of d, the common difference, just apply the common difference here. So minus of d is minus 15, so therefore a equals 38, minus into minus is plus 15. Now just add this, so 38 plus 15 is 53. Okay, now you got the a value also. Okay, now you got the a value as well as you got the d value. Now you can easily find the question that what they are asking. So they are asking the second term, sorry, the first term, the third term, the fourth term and the fifth term. Now, so what they are asking, the first term they are asking, first term you got it, so first term is 53. Now we need to find the third term. Okay, I'll find the third term now. So a third term will be equals to nothing but the third term. You know the formula to find the third term, so a plus 2d, so that will be equals to a value is 53. Now just apply the a value as well as d value here and you'll get the third term. So therefore a value is 53 plus 2 into d value is minus 15. So therefore that will be equals to 53. Now plus into minus is minus, 15 2s are 30. So therefore you got the third term. So nothing but the answer will be 23. So 50 minus 30 is 23. Now this is the answer for the question that they are asking, the third term. So therefore the answer will be 23. Now next, a fourth term also they are asking. You need to find the a fourth term also. So a fourth term formula will be a plus 3d. Now apply the a value as well as d value. So a value is 53 plus 3 into minus 15 because d is minus 15. So therefore 53. Now plus into minus is minus. So 15 3s are, it's 45. So subtract it. So 53 minus 45. Okay, it's 8. So therefore a fourth term will be 8. So also we got the a fourth term also, and now last we need to find the a fifth term because they are asking the fifth term also. So a fifth term formula will be a plus 4d, correct? So therefore that will be equals to a value is 53 plus 4 into, so the d is minus 15. So therefore 53 plus into minus is minus, 15 4s are 60, correct? Okay, now just subtract this, you will get the a fifth term. So therefore a fifth term will be equals to minus 7. Now this is the problem, children. So this is how we need to solve the problem.